In this video, I'm going to teach you how to read this text out loud like a native speaker. I'm going to focus on 4 different aspects of speech. First of all, sentence stress, then word stress. Then we're going to look at how sounds connect between words when words blend together. And then we're going to look at where some sounds are disappearing. This is really important because many students, when they learn English as a foreign language, they learn the pronunciation of individual words, which is great, it's very important, but they don't spend enough time learning how words link together. This is not only important for your speaking ability, but it also really helps with your listening skills as well, because you will start to hear where words are linking together, and that really helps you to understand what people are saying. So first we'll look at some tricky vocabulary, then I will ask you to read the text by yourself. You will then listen to me read the text out loud. I will then analyze the text. You will listen to me read again, and then finally you will read the text out loud again by yourself using everything that we have learned. If you find these videos helpful, please make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button and share the video with a friend. It really helps the channel to grow. Okay, let's take a look at today's text. Our topic for today is London, and I've got a nice picture here of the city of London. And the vocabulary we're going to look at first of all here. First word is metropolis. Metropolis. This is a noun, a very large and busy city. Tokyo is a bustling metropolis with skyscrapers. Next we have landmark. Landmark is a noun, an important and recognizable place. The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark in Paris. Showcase. Showcase. This is a verb, to display or exhibit with pride. The art gallery will showcase local talent. Next we have heritage. Heritage is a noun, the traditions, achievements and beliefs passed down through generations. Okay, the family's heritage is rooted in farming. Next we have diverse. Diverse. This is an adjective showing a great deal of variety. The forest is home to a diverse range of wildlife. Next we have cuisine. This is a noun, a style of cooking or preparing food. The restaurant offers a variety of international cuisines. Next we have convenient. This is an adjective, making life easier or more comfortable. The location of the new office is convenient for employees. And lastly, iconic. Iconic is an adjective, widely recognized and admired as a symbol. The red double-decker bus is an iconic symbol of London. What I want you to do now is pause the video and read the text out loud. It's important that you make yourself familiar with the text that we're going to be working with today. Okay, now I want you to listen to me read the text out loud. London, the UK capital, is a dynamic metropolis blending history and modernity. Famous landmarks like the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace showcase its rich heritage. The diverse city offers a variety of cuisines, shops and entertainment. The River Thames flows through the city, enhancing its charm. Efficient public transportation makes exploring iconic sites like the British Museum convenient for visitors. So let's start breaking down this text. I'm going to highlight sentence stress in yellow. So London, the UK capital, is a dynamic metropolis blending history and modernity. Famous landmarks like the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace showcase its rich heritage. Okay? The diverse city offers a variety of cuisines, shops, and entertainment. The River Thames flows through the city, enhancing its charm. Efficient public transportation makes exploring iconic sites like the British Museum convenient for visitors. Okay. Next, we're going to look at some word stress. I'm going to underline these in green. So, London, the UK capital, is a dynamic metropolis. Blending history and modernity. Famous landmarks like the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace showcase its rich heritage. The diverse, okay, so the second part of that word, diverse city offers a variety, it's an I sound there, of cuisines, okay, so the second part of that word, shops and entertainment. The river Thames. Now, I want you to be careful here. This is pronounced T-E-M-Z, Thames, okay? It's not Thames. Many people might say the TH is a th sound, but it's actually pronounced Thames. Flows through the city, enhancing its charm. Efficient public transportation makes exploring iconic sites like the British Museum. Now, just to remind you here, museum, convenient for visitors. Okay. Now we're going to look at where sounds connect across words. So again, we'll start at the beginning. London, the UK capital, is a, okay, dynamic metropolis, blending history and modernity. Famous landmarks like the Tower of London and, okay, Buckingham Palace showcase its rich heritage. The diverse city offers, okay, so we have this link here. A variety of, so we have lots of examples of Y sounds, or E sounds, if you like, history, variety, city, blending into the next word. Cuisines, shops, and entertainment. So we have an entertainment. We're going to come back to these and words in a moment. Next, we have the River Thames flows through the city, enhancing its charm. Efficient public transportation makes exploring iconic sites like the British Museum convenient, okay, this is an E sound, convenient for visitors. Okay, Next, we'll take a look at where some sounds are disappearing. London, the UK capital, is a dynamic metropolis, blending history and modernity. So the D in and, history and modernity. Famous landmarks. Now, landmarks, you could say landmarks, but if you're speaking a little bit quickly, you might say landmarks. Landmarks. This is personal choice. Famous landmarks. For me, the D is not very hard, so I'd like you to try this version, landmarks. Landmarks. Like the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace. Again, this D can be dropped. Showcase its rich heritage. Next we have the diverse city. Diverse city. So we have two S sounds here. We only need one. The diverse city offers that. Now, I just noticed I missed offers a. So this is a Z. Offers a variety of cuisines, shops, and entertainment. Okay, so again, we've got a D that we can drop here. The River Thames flows through the city, enhancing its charm. Efficient public transport. Efficient public transport. Now, efficient public transport. I could say efficient and really hit that T. Efficient public transport. But efficient public transport, for me, is clear enough. Efficient public transport. Efficient. Public transportation makes exploring iconic sites like the British Museum convenient for visitors. The last thing I want to look at here is where we pause. It's important that you pause. This is a very common problem I see with my students. They don't pause as they're reading out loud. And the pauses are important for clarity. So let's take a look at this. London, the UK capital, is a dynamic metropolis blending history and modernity. I'm going to put a double line here to show you that you have a longer pause. Famous landmarks like the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace showcase its rich heritage. Okay, so double line in here for a longer pause. The diverse city offers a variety of cuisines, shops, and entertainment. The River Thames flows through the city, enhancing its charm. Efficient public transportation makes exploring iconic sites like the British Museum convenient for visitors. So a nice variety of things to look at here, and also quite an interesting range of vocabulary. So what I want you to do now is listen to me read the text out loud and try to listen for all of the features that I have highlighted here. London, the UK capital, is a dynamic metropolis blending history and modernity. Famous landmarks like the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace showcase its rich heritage. The diverse city offers a variety of cuisines, shops, and entertainment. The River Thames flows through the city, enhancing its charm. Efficient public transportation makes exploring iconic sites like the British Museum convenient for visitors. Okay, and now it is over to you. I want you to pause the video and read out loud. Try to speak as clearly as you can. Try to get all of these links and speak as smoothly as you can. Okay, that's it for today. If you found this useful, please make sure to subscribe, like, share it with a friend if you think they will also find it useful, and I will see you in the next video.